Hi, I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Rebecca Steeves Realty. Welcome to 7 Pluto Court, a spacious split entry located in Eaglewood subdivision.
This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home boasts ICF foundation and a 3.5-ton heat pump. The upstairs has an open concept great room with vaulted ceilings. The dining area has patio doors leading to an enclosed porch. And the spacious kitchen boasts handsome cabinetry, an island/breakfast bar, and a walk-through butler's pantry. Down the hall, find 3 bedrooms and the main bath. The main bathroom has a double vanity, soaker tub, and a tile shower. The primary bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and separate access to the bathroom. The lower level is fully finished with a 4th bedroom, access to the attached triple-car garage, a family room, doors that walk out directly to the backyard patio, another full bathroom, a bar/pantry, and a laundry room.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 7 Pluto Court, visit FrederictonHomes.com.